Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing the cache on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It is not possible to clear the cache of all apps at once on Samsung phones. You have to do each app individually. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down Settings and tap on Apps. Find and select the app that you would like to clear the cache of. Scroll down the app info and tap Storage. Then tap Clear Cache at the bottom. Make sure that you don't tap Clear Data, as this will delete important data for the app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.